YouTube, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. Yeah, your boy got the beanie on today. Didn't feel like doing my hair. Anyways, we are here. We're gonna be talking about minor things that you can install on your 350Z to make a big difference. So, we got a couple things that I'm gonna be talking about. First things first, I think the number one thing I installed on this car that made a big difference is definitely the eyelids. Yes, this is as you could tell, yes, clear coat is peeling on my eyelids. They were lovely before. I will put some pictures up right here on the screen right now. Car really needs paint. It has little blemishes here and there, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. First things first, first mod you should do to your car, minor mod, these were 50 bucks painted off of Amazon, are the eyelids. Not everyone likes them. I think they make the car look 10 times more aggressive. It gives the car a more aggressive look in the front with the eyelids, like if the face is angry. So my number one mod for a 350Z, even if I had a regular stock body Z, I would still definitely order some eyelids. Paint matched for sure. Make sure you get them paint matched, or if you have a carbon hood, get the carbon eyelids. That looks good too. So mod number one, the eyelids. $50. Link will be in the description down below if you want to order from where I ordered from. They have a few colors already paint matched, ready to go. I think it's like 9 to 10 days for them to get it, paint it, and then they'll ship it out to you. Or you can buy them unpainted and get them painted with the car, or if you're going to get your car wrapped, you can get them wrapped like so. Mod number two we're going to be talking about is right here. I know if you have a car, you haven't changed this out yet. Your 350Z has a big, ugly piece of shit, skinny antenna, makes it look like an RC car. This right here, as you could tell, is a fluky Nismo with carbon. It used to be all black. I don't know what happened. The sun did something to it. Well, it was grayish. The sun did something to it. Now it's like a goldish silver. But we're going to be removing this one. I bought this off of Sac City. They pretty much sell Z, G's, Q's, like parts for these cars. So I picked this up from them. And we are going to be installing this. It's really simple. It's just literally screw it to the left, it comes off. There should be like a little rubber grommet. This one sadly didn't come with one, but I have the other one from this one right under here. So we will be pretty much unscrewing that and adding this one right now. Before, after. Wow, much more sleek. Let me know what you guys think. I think this one just goes much better with the car since the car is black. So yeah, mod number two, definitely get that antenna replaced. Like I said, that's pretty much what we're here to talk about, is cheap little mods that make a huge difference on your 350Z or G35 or even any car. I know other cars have these mods, but we're going to be covering the 350Z today. Alright guys, the next mod I highly suggest, which I already installed. If you guys own any car, it doesn't have to be a 350Z, you know the lights that come with the car are piss yellow. They don't look as clear on camera, but these are ice white lights for the interior. Pretty much the best thing you could do is upgrade to ice white lights. Oh, let me see. Ice white lights. They're LEDs. You can get these on eBay, Amazon. You can get them anywhere for any car. This is definitely an upgrade that you need. They have two on the inside. Also got two for the license plate. Let me see. Let me turn it on real quick. Two for the plates, as you can see. They look a little yellow because these casings are dirty as shit, but they're really bright white. And then the last one is right here in the trunk. This one is super bright as well and really white. They're really bright compared to the old ones, and they will help upgrade the look of your car at night. Whenever you open the doors, it's not that old classic yellow, it's that nice modern white. So yeah guys, that's definitely another mod you should definitely do on your car. If you drive manual, this is pretty much for you guys. I think automatic people could also switch them, but I don't see a point. The next thing you should get for your car, they range from, it depends on what company, which one, like what do you want. Pretty much a shift knob. This right here is a make or break in a manual transmission car. I feel like I had a Nismo knob before. It was so light and I didn't like it. This one had a little more weight to it. Shifts better. It's more tall. It's way better. So I suggest upgrading your shift knob, man. Minor mod, cheap. This one was a little expensive, you know. Some people would say 40 bucks, I think, is a little expensive for a shift knob. I think this one's worth it. You could get a weighted one that's not this brand. Sorry. You can get a weighted one that's not this brand for probably cheaper. I like this one. I got it. Every 350Z owner pretty much has this one. I got this one. So a shift knob is definitely another cheap mod that is worth the money and worth getting. You can get them on eBay, Amazon. I got this one off of the website itself. And the next thing I wanted to talk about is a shift boot. Another cheap mod. You can even create one of these yourself. If you're a machinist, if you have like, you know, machines and stuff, you could probably even create your own shift knob. But a shift boot, shift knob, two things you definitely want to change out. It just like everything's just plain, and then it's just like it adds your own little touch. It adds your own little touch to your car, realistically. You know, I had a black one before. It was getting faded, so I decided let's get something more like vibrant. Let's get something that will stand out in my videos, looks nice. I know it's cherry blossoms. It might be a little girly to you guys. I don't know. I've always liked cherry blossoms. So I got the cherry blossom tree red shift boot from InFocus. Tune into the last video if you guys want to see the install. This is my my third. I had two black with red stitching shift boots before, and then Mishimoto shift knob. So yeah guys, these are also great mods to get for your car that are cheap, at least if you want them to be. I know there's shift knobs that are like $100, $200. There's shift boots that you can get that are expensive, but if you want to be budget friendly, you can get them. And last but not least, I think the last mod you need for your car is this mod right here. This is just a little extra. Obviously, this is, you know, this is jokes. But get you some motherfucking air fresheners, nigga. You don't want to hop in your car smelling like hot ass cheeks. You don't want to have a shorty sitting in the passenger seat talking about some, what the fuck is that smell? It smells like fucking ball sweat in here. Make your car smell good. I also got the spray. I got a little, you know, I had black ice before. Switched to black ice. Got me a little, you know, a little spray from Temu, wild cherry, whatever. You know, whenever that one gone, I got the backup, the extendo clip. You just want a girl to step in your car and be like, even yourself, it don't even gotta be a girl. Or ladies, you want a guy to step in your car and be like, it smells really good in here. She might even be like, yo, pull that shit out. Huh? All right, guys, so that's pretty much the list, I would say, that are minor mods that you could change on your car. You know, there's other little things that I used to have on my other Z that I didn't change on this one. Like, you know, maybe you want carbon badges that you can get on eBay or Amazon. You know, little Z carbon. You can get the light up ones on Amazon. You can get black carbon handles. Little minor mods will change the look on your Z. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, and down below comment what was your favorite minor cheap mod that I added to my car. I'm gonna say, like I said, my number one thing, the eyelids. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm out. Peace.